Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to Access, Security and Biometrics. Now click on Screen Lock and decide which locking method is the best one for you: pattern, PIN or password. After you decided, tap on the chosen one and create it. Then tap on Next at the bottom right corner. Repeat it in order to confirm it and select Confirm. Lastly, answer this question by selecting one of those options. When your device is locked, how do you want notifications to show? Show all notification content, high sensitive notification content, or don't show notifications at all. Wherever you decided, when you're done, click on Done at the bottom right corner. So now, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!